Are you a Canva enthusiast or are you a Canva beginner? Today I'm going to be sharing with you top tips and tricks you really need to know while using Canva in order to drive better, especially if you are into digital products or if you're into Amazon Kindle publishing. Ensure you watch to the end to learn more. So guys, the first tip I'm going to be showing you is how you can just manually with a click change the whole font and color palette of a particular template you choose to use. So when you pick a particular template you like, or you've designed something that you like, all you need to do is to click on design, and then on design you click on styles. Usually you meet it under the template, but you need to click on the styles, and then you're going to see the different type of color palettes and then different fonts you can actually use. And once you click on a particular palette, it changes the whole color. So as you can see, as I'm clicking on each one, it's changing it into the color and the fonts that we have there. This is so fun. So if you have a particular feel you want, a particular color you want, you can try this out, and then when you click on this sign on it, it's going to rearrange the color arrangement for you. So this is really good if you have a particular tone you want your content to come out as. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is how to pick up an image that is embedded into a picture on your template. So as you can see, this particular image has this like flower vase here that is attached to the picture, but you might want to change it to something else, or you don't want it there. There is a way to move that. So all you need to do is to click on the edit, and then when you click on the edit, then you click on the magic grab, and so this allows you to pick up an image on it. And then I'm just going to click on this flower, and then I'll click on grab, and so just watch this, guys. It takes a couple of seconds, but what it's going to do is it's going to make the flower vase and the flowers an element on its own, and then the background as an element on its own, which allows you to then edit it whichever way you want. You can decide to remove the flowers, you can decide to do whatever else you want to do on there. So let's just give it a couple of seconds and we're almost there. Okay, so now you see that I can move this as an element on its own, and then I have my background. So I can decide to replace this image with another image I feel I want on this particular image. You can do this for words on a particular flyer, for almost any kind of picture you want, but you just need an element from. For this next one, I'm going to be showing you apps you absolutely need, and the first one I want to show you guys is the mockup one. So all you need to do is to come down to your apps, and then you search for mockup. So when you search for mockups, it's going to give you two, but the one I want you guys to use is this first one. So it allows you to take different kind of templates and add pictures to it, especially if you're into digital marketing, you're into print on demand, you want to just showcase your products before they actually arrive. This is your go-to. Take a look at this, guys. We have apparels, we have prints. These are the different type of prints we have, and then we've got the different apparels as well. As you can see, we have the different apparels. If you're into fashion business, you want to showcase how your merchandise looks like. We've got tote bags, so different types, and we've got mugs, we've got different kinds of things. We've got tabs, frames, different kind of thing, even mats, containers that you can use. So all you need to do is to click on the particular one you want. Let me click on this book one, so I can show you guys how it works, and then I'm going to enlarge this a bit. So all I need to do is to put a particular flyer I want. So I'll just come up here to my probably designs. You might have a design you already created, but for me, I don't really have one I planned for. So I'm just going to pick a design from the templates on Canva so I can show you guys how it works. So I'm going to search for book cover, and then these are different kinds of book covers. I'm just going to search something nice I can actually use. Okay, so this looks not so bad, so I'll just click on this and then I'll just drag it. Oh, it took it to another page. Okay, I need something like a picture. So I'm just going to click on this particular picture I have here, then drag it all over it. to input it into the frame, and then voila, just take a look at that, guys. This is so amazing. So if you're into Amazon Kindle publishing, you are into marketing, digital marketing, this is a good way to showcase a product. Just look at that. So and you can do this for whichever other ones that you want to use, that is whether it's the mock-ups for the cups or the apparels. This is the same way you do it. You have your design ready and then you just put it there. So I can now download this and then use it as an advert on my social media platform. So guys, the next one I want to show you guys is the coloring book one. If you are into coloring books, especially on Amazon KDP, this is an app you need to use on Canva. So all you need to do is to come on the apps, and then you can search for coloring book. So if I search for coloring book, and then we just click on it. So this allows you to generate pages based on prompt. So you don't have to go and be searching online, you can just generate it here. So take for instance, I do something like a pretty girl playing in the garden, and then I click on generate. It takes quite a few seconds, but it's really fast compared to other ones I've used. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you a coloring outline based on the prompt you gave it. Almost there, guys, almost there, and voila, here you are. Just take a look at this, guys. Let me bold it so you guys can actually have a look at it. Just see this, guys. Isn't this so cool? So you can do this for as many pages as you want. It's really fun and it's really easy to use. No more stress of going online looking for coloring images or picking up elements from Canva. So I hope you found this helpful. Do let me know which of the tools is your favorite, and let me know if you want other tutorials like this. See you on my next video. Bye.